Hey guys, another high performance AMG review for you guys. Today I'm proud to present to you the 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG. The Mercedes-Benz M-Class is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV and was first introduced in 1997 as a 1998 model and built by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz. Gradually, it had become a sales success in the US and Mexico. In terms of size, it is slotted in between the smaller GLK class and the larger GL class. The ML63 AMG will be a perfect family vehicle with best of both worlds, stylish and performance. An advanced unibody structure was built to elevate the safety, comfort, and performance of the M-Class. The passenger cell features extensive use of high and ultra-high strength steel, plus triple-layer roof pillars and multiple reinforcements. Advanced front and rear crumple zone progressively deform to help absorb impact forces before dissipating them over, under and around the cabin. A lightweight aluminum hood and front fenders, plus acoustically optimized material enhance handling and quiet comfort. Up front, first thing you will notice is the available bi-xenon headlamps as well as the LED daytime running lamps that catches the attention from other drivers. Performance Q dominate a powerful front end with a deep front air dam whose mass intake feeds vital air into the engine, intercooler, and cooling system for the engine and transmission oil. A matted chrome strip underscore the air dam, highlight the LED daytime running lamps, and draw the eye to the whitened front fenders and the AMG side sills. Here is the Mercedes-Benz logo with the Distronic Plus built into the logo. Front camera and park assist are also built into the front bumper. High-intensity retractable headlight washer, intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. On the hood, you see two air vents for air to pass through. At the same time, makes the ML63 AMG looks really aggressive. This particular model comes with the upgraded option 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. It offers even more athletic performance, and behind the wheel is the set of ventilated disc brake and the red painted brake calipers, a visual tribute to the heat they so effectively shed during high-performance braking. Red painted brake caliper lure the eye to the racing-derived AMG brakes. V8 bi-turbo on the fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Here is a brushed aluminum running boards with rubber studs. Stylish and functional running boards ease your entry and exit while providing a rugged element of design as well as distinctive LED lighting for better nighttime visibility. Grippy rubber studs dot the running boards for assured steps even in inclement weather. On top, you see the aluminum roof rails as well as the large panoramic sunroof. Consists of two glass panels. It can be tilted up or opened up for a wide air filling. In the back, also comes with the 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, as well as the ventilated disc brake with the large red painted brake calipers. To the back, you see the LED tail lamps, LED turn signal lamps, as well as LED brake lamps. LED tail lamps with a fiber optic effect make an equally eye-catching impression as you accelerate away with long life and low energy consumption. At the bottom, you see the rear deflector as well as the aluminum rear diffuser. With the quad chrome AMG Sport exhaust tips, the AMG Sport exhaust system not only enhances performance but also generates the characteristic of the V8 sound. Here is a look at the rear view camera, which will retract once the vehicle is in reverse. Okay, the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as diamond white metallic, featuring black AMG leather seats with white contrast stitching, black on the dash, as well as the door panels with brown satin ash wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Looks really nice. Alright, now let's jump into the driver's seats, start it up, and see how it sounds. With your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Very nice interior. Alright, now let's give it a few revs. Okay, let's pop the hood and see what the ML63 AMG have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with direct injections, 7-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter, 4-matic permanent all-wheel drive with auto start and stop function, pushing out 518 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 174 miles per hour with the AMG Performance Package. EPA estimated fuel economy is 13 city, 17 highway, and 15 combined. Very nice engine. Alright, now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Alright, here's a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with white contrast stitching. 3-position memory seating. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And there you have the side view mirror controlled. Side view mirror does offer folded options. Trunk release button. And the storage compartment on the door. Harman Kardon speakers. Down here you have the illuminated AMG door sill. And the AMG Sport pedals. Okay, here's a closer look at the seat. It is all black with white contrast stitching. Looks really nice. Both front seats are perforated. And there you have the AMG badge. Both front seats feature 14-way power adjustable AMG Sport seat, which is substantially bolstered, and are hand-fitted in exquisite designo leather and detailed with metal AMG badges, elegantly double-stitched seams and exclusive lateral piping, in addition to 10-way power adjustment for the cushion, seat back, and head restraint, all stored in 3-position memory. Each seat also includes 4-way power lumbar support. The optional 4-spoke AMG performance steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with dynamical side grips and flatting top and bottom sections. Looks and feel really nice. Also features silver aluminum trims in the middle as well as multi-function controls side by side for your convenience, with control for most frequently used vehicle functions along with an illustrated color menu display in the gauge cluster. Behind the wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put the vehicle in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Steering wheel also features tilt and telescopic steering column. There is a look to the gauge cluster. Over to the left, you have the driver's side air vent and the light controlled. As well as the rear fog light. The ML63 AMG also features multi-color ambient lighting, which feature a network of efficient LED and fiber optics cast a gentle glow from beneath the trims on the dashboard and door panels, both to welcome occupants into cabin and to help make nighttime driving feel more secure. Here is a look at the dash with the large 7-inch multimedia screen. This model also comes equipped with the standard Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system that was specifically engineered for the M-Class. This premium digital sound system fills the cabin with 830 watts of beautifully balanced audio, no fewer than 13 speakers, plus the rich bass of a subwoofer that delivers a wholly immersive listening experience through Dolby Digital 5.1 surround sound technology. Digital dynamic volume control maintains the sound spectrum for consistent listening pleasure in varying driving conditions. If that is not enough for you, you can always upgrade it to a Bang & Olufsen sound system, but trust me, the Harman Kardon surround sound system will already blow you away with the sound quality. Dual cup holder with heated and cooling options. Here is all your suspension setting, different driving mode. Here is the command system with central controller, featuring a high-resolution 7-inch color display and a central controller on the console. The cockpit management and data command system give you the convenient control of audio, video, hand-free calling, and optional navigation functions. Many features can also be accessed via the integrated steering wheel control. Here you have the center storage compartment with USB and auxiliary input, as well as the media interface cable. Also have the 12-volt power outlet. Here's the glove box compartment. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. And a closer look at the AMG Sport seats. Okay, let's see what we have above our head. Look like we have the light controlled. You can control the light for the rear as well. And here you have the sunglasses holder. And one touch open, close and tilt panoramic sunroof. The panorama sunroof offering both front and rear seat passenger sweeping skyward view. This fully functional glass sunroof features a front panel that can be either tilt up for ventilation or slide over to the rear panel for an open air feeling. Dual interior power shades allow occupants to adjust the amount of sunlight entering the cabins. Here you have the universal garage door opener. Mercedes-Benz emergency roadside assistance. Sun visor mirror. with a card holder. Alright, now let's check out the rear seat. Rear seats offer seating for 3, and it looks pretty spacious in the back. Rear windows are also automatic. Also have the aluminum door sill for the back and AMG floor mat. Alright, let's jump into the seat and see how it feels in the back. But first, let me show you the front cabin. Front cabin look really nice and sporty, with the AMG Sport pedals and AMG Sport steering wheel. Very nice. The back feels really comfortable and the seats are very well padded. And here you have the dual air vent for the rear seat passenger. Also comes with 3-stage heated seats. And there's the audio system control for the rear, as well as 2 power outlet. Rear seats pocket. Like I told you, rear seat is very spacious and does offer plenty of leg rooms. I'm 5'8" and still have plenty of leg rooms left. So for a taller individual, you will also be very comfortable in the back as well. And seats are very well padded. Very nice. Here's a look to the back. Here you have the rear armrest with dual cup holder. There's the light control for the rear passenger. Light above your head as well. Alright, now let's pop up the trunk and see how spacious is the trunk. Okay, the trunk looks like it have plenty of cargo space for groceries and luggage. Here you have the privacy cover to cover some of your personal items. And the rear seats does offer folded option. You can fold it down in 60 or 40 split for an additional cargo space. With both rear seats folded down, you get a maximum amount of 80.3 cubic feet of cargo space. And there you have the spare tires and your tools, 12-volt power plug, and the first aid kit. One touch close. Gas cap is located on the passenger side and does require premium unleaded fuel only. The ML63 AMG is a 5-passenger vehicle, and its rear seat section offers plenty of leg rooms, and I can assure that you will be very comfortable sitting in the back. Very spacious. And I forgot to mention that the door does offer soft close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. Overall, the ML63 AMG is made almost identical to its larger sibling, the GL63. From the exterior to the interior, it is good looking from every angle. The dash is identical to the dash on the GL63 AMG as well. I would choose this one over the GL63 any day if I don't have the need for third row seating. If you do need to have an additional third row, bring extra money is all I can say. Alright, let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it feels. Feels really nice and comfortable and have plenty of leg rooms. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 ML63 AMG. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.